Okay, so this video is quick to show you how to use the whiteboard in Office 365. So at this point you have watched this video on how normal cells move through a capillary, and you've watched this video on how sickle cells move through a capillary, and you've seen a difference in how their shape affects their motion slightly. So what you're going to do now is go to Office 365. So I'm going to show you two ways to do it. One, hopefully this link will work for you. And you will go right to Whiteboard and you'll be able to open up a whiteboard. Or the other way you may have to do it if that link doesn't work for you is you will just go to your browser and you will go to where your Microsoft Apps is. You might have to log back in Microsoft Apps, but you'll go to your Microsoft Apps, which you should be logged into because you got there through Clever. You will push All Apps tab, which might be at the end. Mine is already open. Or actually, you might not even need to do that. There it is right there. So you're going to push either your All Apps tab or look for your apps, and you're looking for the Whiteboard app, this one. And you're going to click on that. And that will bring you to the same place. And you're going to open up a new whiteboard. And this is just a drawing app, and that's all it is. It's just the good news about this is you'll be able to share this with me. So very quickly, you can pick a pen and you can draw, you can erase, you can add a text message. The thing is, you got to remember is wherever you draw, this is a gigantic whiteboard, so if you want that text message to be somewhere, you might have to move the whiteboard so the message can be there, and then you might have to move the whiteboard so you can add another message, because the message just always comes in the same place. You have to move your board so that the message will appear in the right place. All right, so you can go ahead and do that and add some commentary if you want. If you want to get rid of stuff, you can get rid of stuff pretty easily. Okay, then how do you share that with me? We just go up to the share button up here, and you're going to turn on share link, and you're going to copy that link. Boom. Okay, then you go back to your assignment, and you'll go up to your submit bar, and you'll be able to submit a URL, and that will share that image with me, and I'll be able to give you grade it. So that's how you do this. Have fun. If you have any other questions, please contact me by email.